Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl and I am back with another tutorial. But first, I want to give you guys a disclaimer that I don't think I ever shared with you guys before. I don't know if you noticed, but I have been on a hiatus from doing hair tutorials for about 2 weeks now to get my hair back on track. A few weeks ago, I tested out a product that didn't work very well with my hair. Now, just to give you guys a little details on how I choose the products that I wish to share with you guys. Normally, I choose products that I have used before or that the ingredients are natural. Okay, so again, I only choose products that I have used before or if the ingredients are natural. So this product that I use, I'm not going to share what this product is because again, it could have just been my hair, not necessarily the product, but it did not work very well with my hair. Not all the time when you look at a product and you see natural, that is actually natural. I know it's kind of deceiving, but you have to read the ingredients as well. Don't just take the cover as a go-to if it says natural. You have to read the ingredients. So in return, my hair paid the price. As you guys know, I am a beauty influencer and there are brands that send me product all the time. I do not review every single product, especially if it doesn't fit with my brand or if I think it's not a product that's going to work well. But I did so in the recent times, so my hair did take a big hit to it. So I had to do a 2-week break with my hair. I had to trim my ends again because it was a total disaster. But today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial from a trusted brand who I will always love, Camille Rose Almond Jai Twist and Butter.